Welcome to the Bolt Product Bulk Editor app. In this video tutorial we'll guide you through the process of creating a task using the Bolt app. Let's proceed. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin. Click the Apps section and open Bolt Product Bulk Editor. You'll be directed to the dashboard, where you can view and manage all your bulk editing tasks. On the dashboard, click the Create Task button located on the left-hand side. This will initiate the process of setting up a new bulk edit task. Next, choose the specific product field you wish to modify. The Bolt app allows you to edit over 25 product fields. In this step, we are choosing to update both the price and compare price. Next, we need to filter the products that should be included in this task. You can filter by all products, products that meet specific conditions, products within a specific collection, products listed in a CSV file. For this example, we'll select products based on conditions. You'll then choose whether products must match all conditions or any condition. In our case, we select all conditions, meaning the product must satisfy both criteria. From the list of available product conditions, we choose product vendor is equal to Protomesh. Collection includes fashion. Click Next to preview the products that match your selected criteria. You'll now see a preview of all the matching products. Now it's time to define the update action you want to apply. Configuring pricing rules. You can update the product price and compare price based on these options. When updating prices, you can increase or decrease them by a percentage or a fixed amount. Set them to a specific value. Round them to your desired format. This provides a flexible way to apply consistent pricing changes across selected products. For this example, in the Configure Pricing Rule section, we set the price to increase by 20% based on the current price, and the compare price to increase by 20% based on the new product price. Click Check to preview sample changes before continuing. Here, you have the option to manually verify the prices by entering your own values. Review your task configuration before executing it. Confirm that your filters and update settings are correct. If everything is in order, you may choose to run the task immediately or schedule it for later. You also have the option to enable rollback in case you need to revert the changes. Give your task a descriptive name. Then click Save to begin processing. Once the task starts, you can monitor its progress in the Current tab. Upon completion, a detailed summary of changes will be available in the History tab. And that's it. You've successfully created and executed a task using the Bolt app. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching this video.